So DIY treatments are usually pretty ineffective. And part of the reason is knowing where to treat and what to treat with. It also is, in a lot of cases, the homeowner does not know what they're even looking for. Bedbug eggs and bedbug nymphs, the first instars, are very, very small and they're nearly colorless. So when you've got that and experience, it makes it very challenging to treat for properly. A lot of times I see people going out there and buying foggers or a liquid, or they're using boric acid based products, and they're not going to be effective. Either because one, it's not labeled for bed bugs, that happens a lot as well, but the active ingredients in these products, the bed bugs either have immunity to because they're just resistant to it, or they're just not going to work on them just because it's the way the chemistry works. So most DIY products do not work, even though they maybe have a label for it, because it's not really going to solve your problem. You may kill a few of them, but you're not going to solve your problem. Bed bugs are one of those few pests that I would actually recommend that a homeowner not even try whatsoever to try to treat. Get a professional, or else you're going to have a long period of time where you're going to have problems most likely.